with Mr. Sean Brown, all the way from Toronto,
Canada.
And he's actually the Canadian Yamaha rep. Brilliant guy, super knowledgeable about drums and electric drums. And so what I wanted to talk to you guys about is some cool ways that you could use electric drums to basically get better, improve your drumming, and just become an overall better musical drummer. And so Sean has some awesome things he was just showing me actually before we started. And so in this video, we're just going to talk about how you can use MIDI samples that you can just basically download for free online. And you can put them in the Yamaha Drum Brain, and then you can play along with actual real-world music. So why don't you just tell us a little bit more about exactly how that works?
Well, you just said exactly how it is. You've got to be able to play with songs, you're going to become a better drummer. And yeah, the MIDI files are available from numerous places. It's not from Yamaha, although there are some that you can get from Yamaha as well. And what we've done is we used a program that you can download for free called MusicSoft Manager, and what it allows you to do is find almost any song you could possibly think of that's been ever made by somebody and put it into this machine. We just used it to find one of the coolest songs ever, made by one of the greatest drummers ever, Mr. J.R. Robinson. And this is called Billie Jean. He played drums on it, he didn't make the song, but anyways, here we go. Okay. Now, I played this, I'm going to continue to play this, but I'm going to show you how with one button press, I'm going to turn the drums off of this track so that you can play drums on it. I can add a click onto that while I'm playing the song. Of course, while I'm playing the song, I can increase the tempo.
I don't know if it sits well at that tempo.
But the cool thing though is, see there, when you get a song and you want to practice it, and you want to practice it off an MP3, you can't turn off the drums and you can't speed it up or slow it down however you want to. And if I say I wrote a song and I emailed it to you and you put it in the machine and you recorded your own parts on top of it, and maybe you didn't like what I had recorded, so you turned it more swing and or you put more of your own signature on it. It's just a really cool way of communicating music.
Yeah, and so how long did it take you to find that song and actually input it into the machine?
I'm not kidding you. 3 minutes.
Okay, so 3 minutes. And so I think that's it's a really, really good tool that you guys can use. I know we always launch play-alongs and we have to go and record them ourselves. And I was looking at the databases online, just doing some Google searches because I wanted to send them some songs that I like to play to. And there's literally everything. I like Toto, Incubus, Dave Matthews Band, I think Paul Simon stuff, all that kind of stuff. And I'm searching for it, and it's all there. And so once you get those MIDI tracks, you just input them in the machine, and you can actually play along with some of your favorite songs. And you can remove the drum part. That's what people always ask me. How do I remove the drum part from my favorite songs? Well, they're out there, and it's through MIDI. And using electric drums, it allows us to actually do that. And so this is the DTX 400, I believe. Great entry-level Yamaha drum set, and that feature works on this module.
It does indeed.
Cool. Yeah. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video where there's a whole series of these videos on how to use electric drums in order for you to become a better drummer. Thanks, Sean.
Thanks.
See you guys.